Hey, JBL has surprised us with the new Go 5 ultra portable, waterproof and drop-proof Bluetooth speaker. In this video I show how to easily remove the speaker grill and do a bass excursion and decibel sound test. To remove the fabric mesh you need a flat tool, which you insert between both sides of the grill and carefully pry it open. This needs to be done on both sides and also on the upper part of the speaker housing. The speaker grill consists of two parts that need to be removed from the speaker. They are attached to the speaker housing with small plastic hooks. And here is our new beauty, the JBL Go 5 Bluetooth speaker. Let's do a bass and decibel test.
Who loves me like you used to? Some days I'm not myself. There's no one I can turn to. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never meant to last. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never meant to last. It might take some time, but I'll be alright. I'm moving on, moving on. I know times are tough, but I've had enough. I'm moving on, moving on. Moving on, moving on. Won't you take me to that place? Won't you take me to that place? Won't you take me there, man? Because you say